Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we are going to be learning how to log out of the Sims FreePlay game. First of all, launch the Sims FreePlay application on your mobile device and once the game starts, tap on the three dots at the bottom right section of your screen. In the pop-up, click on Account Manager. You will then be able to see this page. Look for the Logout button. It might say log out of EA or log out of Facebook or Apple. Tap on the Logout button depending upon your login method. Soon after you do that, you will be logged out of your account right away. The game will now show you as a guest. Any online sync feature will be disabled until you log back in. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.